Hello, boys and girls. These are our Lesson 16 sight words. And these are the words we have to know by Friday. So this is our introduction to them. What does this word say? Look at it. It says think. And it goes with this card. It says think, think. What do you think space is like? She's wondering. Okay, this one says bring. And this card says bring, bring. Spaceships can bring astronauts to space. Bring. This one also starts with a B, but it says before, before. That E's making that O say its name. Before, before. Astronauts practice flying before their trip. Before. Okay, this word, it has some silent letters in it. This G and H, all they do is make the I say its name. So it's going to say light. You just skip right over these. Light. So what do you think this word says? Light. Light. People feel very light floating in space. So let's say you weigh 150 pounds. When you're in space, you only feel like you're like maybe 20 pounds. You feel very light. You go boing, 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 because you're so light. Okay, the word is because. This is like a fourth grade word. Because. And it's got this card that goes with it. What does that say? Because. Because. Astronauts like to jump because it is fun. Look at them. Remember, they're super light in space, and this is like one of those anti-gravity machines. It makes them feel like they have no weight at all. And they like it because it is fun. Okay, this one, we're breaking away from the B words. This word says carry. And then here's the card that goes with it. What does that word say? Carry. Astronauts carry tools to work with. Okay. So these are some tools that he's using to do his work. In addition to that, he has some lights on his helmet he has to carry. Okay, next word is show. Remember SH makes the sh sound. Show. What does that word say? Show. Show. Look at the picture. Pictures show us what the moon is like. Show. This word says around. It starts with an A, but the A says around. Around. What does this word say? Around. Around. You can see clouds all around Earth. These little white wisps. Well, maybe not that. I think up there, that's the top of the world. That's the North Pole, where Santa Claus lives. Those aren't clouds. But all these other ones right here, Those are clouds, and they're going around our Earth. Around Earth. Okay, so we practiced them, and now we're going to practice them again. I want to see if you can read them. We're going to do like the matchy-matchy game. Let's go ahead and put this down a notch. And we'll start right here, just laying these out. We know how to do this. We're going to match these. Okay, so that says think, bring, because. Well, it looks like I have to put this even further down. Okay, think, bring, because, around, and over here we're going to put show. What does that one say? Before, light, and carry. Okay, so I have another deck of cards that has these same 8 words on them. And did you notice? We don't have 6 words anymore. We have 8 words. So let's go ahead and, what does this word say? Before. So we're going to put it next to before. You remembered light. The GH doesn't say anything. Like astronauts feel very light in space. This word says because. Let me see. I like first grade because the children know how to read at the end of the year. And it's like all my work paid off. Because. Show. Can you show me your new puppy? This is the word show down here. Show, show. And this one says think. I think I'm going to eat after I give this lesson. Think, think, think. This says bring. Can you bring me some milk when you go to the grocery store? Bring. And this one says carry. Moms like to carry their babies with them whenever they go someplace. Carry. And that matches this carry. All right. And then finally we have the word around. And it can only go right here, right? Around. Okay, don't play around. It's time to pay attention. All right, boys and girls, that's your lesson. Introducing your Lesson 16 sight words.